Islamabad, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif met Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud on Sunday after the Saudi premier extended a special invitation to him for an iftar dinner in Mecca. Prime Minister of Bahrain and Crown Prince Salman bin Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa also attended the special iftar dinner. PM Sharif conveyed prayers and best wishes for the health and well-being of the custodian of the two holy mosques, His Majesty King Salman bin Abdulaziz. He expressed gratitude for warm welcome accorded to him and his delegation by Saudi authorities. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and Mr. Sharif appreciated the upward trajectory of long-standing fraternal relations and reaffirmed the resolve to further strengthen bilateral ties. After the iftar, a bilateral meeting was also held, followed by a one-on-one meeting between the two leaders. The Prime Minister and members of his cabinet earlier left for Mecca to perform Umrah, the PM office media wing said. Pakistan delegation included Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar, Defense Minister Khawaja Muhammad Asif, Information Minister Atala Taher, Finance Minister Muhammad Aurangzeb and Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif. Meanwhile, in a message on the World Health Day, which was being observed on Sunday, PM Sharif reiterated government's commitment to provide health facilities to all people of Pakistan. Towards our destination of a healthier nation, I once again reiterate the commitment of the government to transform Pakistan's healthcare sector at all levels that will ensure that every Pakistani has access to quality healthcare, he said. In order to ensure health facilities to all people as promised to the nation in the PMLN manifesto, the Prime Minister said the government's focus would remain on improving healthcare facilities and better governance. We will also encourage provincial governments to expand and upgrade health facilities, launch mobile health clinics for enhanced access, re-energize immunization and improve mental health services, the PM office media wing quoted the Prime Minister as saying in a press release. Mr. Shehbaz said that establishment and operationalization of a medical city, establishment of a cancer care hospital and Pakistan Kidney and Liver Institute facilities in each province remain top priority of the government. We